Hello, Mr. Greg. Shannon Coward here with Tameron Hyundai. You inquired about this specific automobile. Well, I want to give you a brief overview of it, so let's get right to it. When you come through, you're going to notice it's got the very sporty 18-inch alloy wheels. As you come in the back, come on through, there is ample room for 3 passengers. Now, up on the steering wheel, for your safety and convenience, you've got your radio controls, cruise control, Bluetooth. I pair your phone before you drive off the lot. The button here toggles through your back display, keeping everything at your fingertips. Now in the center here, you've got navigation, backup camera, CD player, AM, FM, XM, XM, satellite radio is free for 90 days. You've got auxiliary USB. It gives you every avenue to listen to your music, hey, as well as heated front seats. But Mr. Griggs, I want to tell you the most important thing, that is the America's Best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Coward. I am your personal sales associate assigned just to you. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250. You may reach me on my cell phone at 205-907-4700. Again, that's Shannon Coward, 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you very soon. Thank you.